You didn't fall in love by mistake. Your brain made that choice before your heart felt anything. And once you understand why, you'll never see love the same way again. Love is not random. Psychology says attraction isn't random. It's familiarity disguised as destiny. Your brain is drawn to what feels known, not what's good for you. That's why you can feel deeply connected to someone who is completely wrong for you. Attachment theory. Your attachment style is formed before you understand love. If love felt inconsistent growing up, your nervous system learned to stay alert. Now, as an adult, calm love feels unfamiliar, and chaos feels exciting. That's not chemistry. That's survival mode. Trauma bonding. Trauma bonding happens when pain and affection mix. Your brain releases dopamine during uncertainty, so your body mistakes anxiety for love. You don't miss the person. You miss the emotional highs and lows. Why you ignore red. Red flags don't feel dangerous when chaos feels familiar. Your brain filters out danger to protect the attachment. That's why logic disappears in love, and intuition gets confused with hope. Real love feels boring at first. Healthy love feels calm, and calm feels boring to a nervous system trained in chaos. That's why many people leave healthy partners and chase emotionally unavailable ones. How to break the pattern. Healing doesn't start with dating someone new. It starts with retraining your nervous system. You must learn to feel safe without chaos. Only then does attraction change. When love stops feeling like anxiety, you know you're healing. You don't fall for the wrong person anymore. You finally choose the right one.